at Ritlee have been involved with the import of the horizontal grinder units for some time, so we can honestly say we know the game here in Africa. The unit in the video below is extremely well constructed, with excellent safety aspects, one of which is the exceptional feature of the breakaway anvil. Should bad contaminants be struck during the grinding process, the anvil itself will swivel out the way. Additional features include 3 heavy-duty rear-mounted axles fitted with air brakes, turnbuckle in front for the fifth wheel, aggressively finished feed bed which carries material to the feed roller and grinder. It's available to order, fitted with either 28 hammers or 3 total with chipping blades. The grinding rotor is 35mm thick with a 900mm diameter and precision balance, and the inlet itself is 1400 by 800mm. It is fitted with a 7-meter fold-over rib discharge. The horizontal grinder is a 275 kilowatt unit and is self-delivered below 2.5 million, excluding that.
I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we lose again. See my confidence shaking in my heart.